How to block apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block apps on Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on digital well-being and parental controls. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on app timers. And now here in this section, you will see the list of all the apps that are currently installed on your device. So here, simply scroll through the app and find the app that you want to block. And here, once you found it, just tap on it to open it. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on app timer again. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. Now here in this menu, what you have to do is simply scroll through and set the time to 0 hours and 0 minutes. And here, once you're done with that, you can just tap on OK to confirm your action. And once you do that, this will block the app completely. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.